Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia, and today I am going to be sharing with you Shabby Chic Christmas Decor 2024. Now, you know me, I am all about decorating on a budget and really creating that designer look for less. So, I am sharing all of my decorating tricks so that you can create the same look in your home as well. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit that like button, and I want to give a huge thank. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Christmas Shabby Chic Home Decor 2024. Nostalgic elegance for the holidays. Shabby Chic Christmas Decor continues to be a timeless favorite in 2024, blending vintage charm with a touch of rustic elegance. This style creates a cozy, welcoming atmosphere perfect for celebrating the holidays with family and friends. Featuring soft colors, delicate textures, and vintage-inspired accents, a Shabby Chic Christmas turns your home into a festive wonderland. Here's how to achieve this look. 1. Color palette. The foundation of Shabby Chic Decor lies in its serene and muted tones. This year, the trending colors include creamy whites and soft pastels. Shades of blush pink, baby blue, and mint green create a calm and romantic atmosphere. Muted metallics, subtle gold, silver, and rose gold add a festive shimmer without overpowering the aesthetic. Neutral earth tones, burlap beige, soft grays, and antique ivory provide a rustic balance to the palette. 2. Key decor elements. Distressed furniture. Use painted and sanded down wooden pieces like coffee tables, bookshelves, or cabinets for a vintage foundation. Natural greenery. Incorporate eucalyptus, pine branches, or ivy in wreaths, garlands, and centerpieces for a natural, understated look. Textured fabrics. Choose lace, crochet, or linen for table runners, curtains, and throw pillows to add layers of charm. Antique accents. Vintage candlesticks, ceramic bowls, and weathered picture frames amplify the nostalgic feel. 3. Christmas tree design. A Shabby Chic Christmas tree is a centerpiece of holiday decor. Floral touches. Decorate with faux or dried flowers like roses, hydrangeas, or baby's breath in soft colors. Handmade ornaments. Use wooden stars, lace-covered baubles, and decoupage decorations for a personal touch. Subtle lighting. Wrap the tree in warm white fairy lights or softly glowing lantern-style lights. Delicate garland. Strings of pearl beads or lace ribbons create an elegant draping effect. 4. Mantle and fireplace styling. Vintage stockings. Hang burlap or linen stockings adorned with lace, buttons, or hand-stitched names. Rustic garland. Drape greenery mixed with pastel ornaments, dried oranges, and cinnamon sticks. Candle displays. Use mismatched antique candle holders for a cozy glow. 5. Table settings. Lace and burlap linens. Create a rustic yet refined look with lace-edged tablecloths or burlap runners. Vintage dinnerware. Use mismatched china, antique silverware, and glass goblets for a curated, old-world charm. DIY centerpieces. Arrange pine cones, pearls, and pastel baubles in vintage bowls or mason jars. 6. Wall and shelf decor. Wreaths with soft accents. Opt for wreaths decorated with lace bows, pastel florals, and metallic beads. Framed holiday prints. Display vintage-style prints of Christmas carols or snowy scenes in distressed frames. Hanging garlands. Use paper snowflakes, crocheted stars, or pearl strings for a whimsical touch. 7. Lighting ideas. Warm fairy lights. Place these around windows, mirrors, and bookshelves for a soft, inviting glow. Lanterns and mason jars. Fill with battery-operated tea lights or string lights for a rustic ambience. Chandeliers with holiday accents. Decorate light fixtures with hanging ornaments or greenery. 8. DIY and upcycling. Shabby Chic is all about creativity and resourcefulness. Repurpose old items. Transform vintage crates, old teacups, or weathered doors into festive displays. Craft your ornaments. Use fabric scraps, buttons, and lace to make unique tree decorations. Eco-friendly touches. Incorporate natural materials like pine cones, twigs, and dried flowers. 9. Outdoor decor. Rustic porch accents. Place distressed wooden sleds, vintage metal buckets, and lanterns by your front door. Whimsical wreaths. Opt for pastel florals and lace ribbons on your front door wreath. Charming outdoor lights. Use string lights on fences, windows, and trees for a magical glow. A Christmas shabby chic theme in 2024 allows you to celebrate the holidays with a blend of romance, nostalgia, and timeless elegance. By focusing on soft colors, vintage accents, and eco-friendly touches, you can create a warm and inviting home that embodies the spirit of the season. Thank you so much for joining me as we explore the timeless beauty of shabby chic Christmas decor. This style is all about creating a warm, inviting, and elegant holiday atmosphere with vintage charm and cozy touches. I hope today's ideas inspired you to add a little shabby chic magic to your own Christmas celebrations this year. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more holiday decorating tips and inspiration. Let me know in the comments which shabby chic idea you love the most or how you're planning to style your home this Christmas. Wishing you a beautiful, cozy, and shabby chic holiday season. See you in the next video.